Today's Cold Brew Fanatic pick is the Blackberry Dark Mocha Latte from White Duck Espresso.
Cold Brew Fanatic here, and I am on my way to White Duck Espresso. While I'm there, I'm going to see if they have any holiday specials and try something new. I always like to get a White Duck surprise, and that's generally what I get along with my coffee. Because I only get to go so often because I love my cold brew, but I love me a nice latte made of some fresh espresso. So we're going to give it a shot from White Duck Espresso. Everyone's safe here at White Duck. It's a pretty clean experience so far, as you can see by the smile on my face.
What are we feeling today?
Have fun with it. I don't know what those are really. I'm a cold brew fanatic, so.
Okay, so we can maybe stick to iced lattes.
And I've also become a really big fan of your mini donuts.
We have the apple cider, pumpkin spice, or cinnamon sugar. Have you tried the apple cider ones yet?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
And that's yes to the first question.
You want the apple cider ones?
Well, all three.
All three? My dear, anything else?
That's it.
All right, and a name for the order?
Cold brew fanatic. I love being a cold brew fanatic every day. I'd like to say it would be rough, but it's pretty awesome. It brings a smile to my face.
Hello, how we doing today, guys?
Super excited.
All right, guys, I have all of the assorted donuts here for you.
Yes.
I got them all labeled on the bag for you.
Thank you. Oh, they're warm too.
There you are.
Yay, fun straws.
It's the small things, you know.
Every single time, man.
Well, thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Y5. Now that I got all my drinks and my mini donuts from White Duck Espresso, it's time for a review. We're going to start with the Blackberry Dark Mocha, and we're going to add that to our pumpkin spice donuts, freshly made just for us. So I'm going to take my red fun straw, and it's fun because it goes like this. And boom, and I like to make it fun, so I can try to make either a heart out of it or a little super siphon. Love it. Just a hint of blackberry, with like a dark chocolate taste. It's kind of like I'm biting into a chocolate covered blackberry with espresso poured on top. I'm doing a tango right now in my mouth. It just makes my taste buds dance. Now let's see what this residual beauty tastes like with some pumpkin mini donuts.
Pumpkin spice donuts. Pumpkin spice donuts.
It takes me back from when I was a kid and my mom took me to the Big Top flea market. She said you can have any donut you want, and they only had these. The combination rating of these flavors smashed together, I give it like a 9.9 out of 10, and the only way it would have been a 10 is if my mom would have been here to experience it with me. Now that I've tried the Blackberry Dark Mocha with the pumpkin, I'm gonna try it out with the cinnamon sugar and the apple to see which is the best combination to complement my Blackberry Dark Mocha Latte. Next up is my cinnamon sugar.
Cinnamon sugar mini donuts.
It tastes like if a panda bear hugged a koala bear and made you smile at the same time, because this is exactly how they made it at the Big Top flea market. First one reminded me of it. This one is exactly how it was made.
Cinnamon sugar mini donuts.
So far, I think this might be the best combo yet. That brings back those fond memories of mommy. And I gotta cleanse my palate, which I learned from Gordon Ramsay in one of the thousands of shows he's been on, which were all on Fox Network. Palate's been cleansed, and now it's time for the final tasting of the apple mini donuts here at White Duck Espresso. Crack it open. It already looks a little bit lighter than the other ones. See how it tastes. Whoa.
Apple spice mini donuts.
You know what this reminds me of? That warm apple pie mixed into a donut
and smashed together with grandma's hugs. First two reminded me of my mom. This one might be the winner because the only memories I have of my grandma is nothing but her love. As a cold brew fanatic, the best combination of coffee and mini donuts from White Duck Espresso is gonna be this Blackberry Dark Mocha coupled with these apple cinnamon mini donuts. Made fresh when you order them, and it's so tasty and warm that it will remind you of your fond memories of your family. You should tell us what your favorite drink from White Duck Espresso is so we can come back and try that too. Tell us in the comments below. We're excited to hear from you. Cold Brew Fanatic out.